Good morning, everybody. I am going to make some overnight oats that I made myself this morning, and I'm going to make these for tomorrow because they were so good. I popped on here. I thought you might like to see how I did it. I'm going to put like a half a cup or, well, it's probably like 3/4 of a cup of oats. The amount is your choice. I usually get the gluten-free quick oats here. And I'm going to put in 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. I put in 2 this morning, and it was just a little too much. And I'm going to put in a half a scoop of protein powder. I'm putting vanilla in this one. I have different flavors because I use the flavors for my Ninja Creamy. But today I'm using vanilla. This really is my favorite one. And I like this clean and simple eats one. They just had a big sale, so I kind of stocked that for the year with it. Gonna give it a quick stir, and I'm gonna put in some almond milk, about a cup. Later, if you find out you need a little bit more, you can put more in. Chia seeds soak up a lot of liquid, and so does the oats. So I might need a little bit more later on. We'll see. I'm going to stir it up. Now, chia seeds and overnight oats obviously have to sit and soak up everything for a while. When I did it this morning, I only let them soak for a couple hours while I was doing my workout. If I eat before my workout, I tend to get nauseous. So I take a little bite of something to get me through, and then I come up and I eat my main breakfast. I'm going to throw in some frozen mangoes. Sometimes I do those just before I eat them, but I decided to go ahead and put them in now. And that's it. I'm going to put them in the refrigerator, and I'm going to eat it tomorrow. Y'all have a good day.